guys, how's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. I want to come back to you with copy and paste ads, okay? Just want to show you that made some updates, and I just want to address those with you, as well as just kind of give you a quick review on copy paste ads, okay? Copy paste ads is a system I partnered with last year, okay? And they provide pre-written ads, a back office, the whole shebang. We'll talk about that in a second. But I'm in the Facebook group now, okay? And I'm going to show you that. But before we do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, okay? Go down there, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So I'm in the Facebook group of copy and paste ads, as you can see up here at the top. And I kind of just want to scroll through here, because I want you guys to see that people are making money in this program, okay? Here's one. Oh, screen is going a little crazy here. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll, kind of see that, see other people that's making money with the program, okay? As you can see right here. And what the owner will do is he comes in here and he'll congratulate you when you make a sale, okay? That's what he does. He's involved in the group and he answers questions. Okay, so I'm just going to thumb through here so you can see. I'm just not talking about how the program is working, but you will see that people are making commissions. There's another, okay, there's another 100. There's another 100. Okay, I'm just going to scroll through a little bit here. In the group, right here, there's another 100. There's another 100, okay? So people are making money in $100 commission over and over and over for a one-time $149 investment, okay? And it's instant pay, okay? So you paid instantly. So that's what I want to show you and tell you, that they've added other payment options. So let's go over to copy paste ad system. Hang on. Okay, right. I like to use that right here. Hang on one second for me. Okay, so as you can see, this is a captivating capture page. This video with this, guys, it works well. If you place ads, it works well because people are curious. How can they make $100? How can you get $100? How can you make $100? Okay, so it's a nice, colorful page. Okay, so that's the capture page that I use. So let's go in the back office real quick. Okay, I'm in the back office, and right here, they've made an update. Okay, so you can now also accept Venmo, which was before, but Zelle also. So you can accept Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle with copy paste ads. So that's awesome. That's instant pay, guys. So that means when someone joins from your link, okay, the company, you're gonna get paid via Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle. Okay, so that's more options, okay? So that's a great thing. Now let me show you something else that they added. I'm gonna cover it up. But for the members that's a part of copy paste ads, you're gonna get, they put something here. I'm gonna show you. Hang on a second. Okay, right here, when you log in your back office of copy paste ads, if you look under the Facebook group picture, it says here's 20 quick places to post ads daily. Okay, so they've given you right at your fingertips, without even digging really into the training, there's 20 places that you can post ads for this program. So that's a new addition, as well as more processors that they've added that can be accepted with this program. Okay, so let's just look a little further with at this back office. Okay, I actually clicked on pages, so you can see there's lots of pages back here you can promote with copy paste ads as well, guys. Okay, so you go back here and you pick one of these pages, make it page, and that's the page you're going to send all your traffic to. Now let's just go over to training. Hang on a second here, I'll show you something. So I'm in the members area. Hang on, let's get you over there. Now, when you first get in here and you get started, let me show you. Let's see. Hang on a second. Okay, so in the members area, click members training, and you go to getting started guide. Okay, so we're getting started guide. We have classified sites, Facebook training. So let's click on getting started guide. I just want to show you something real quickly here. Okay, so we go to getting started guide, right? And it tells you quick start. Okay, this is very simple. It's a simple program to promote. Now let's go down here and let me show you something. Okay, it tells you to get started. Tells you what to do to get started, okay? And it says right here, be consistent and repeat steps 3 and 4. That's with every business, okay? That you're going to do these things over and over and over and over. Okay, income producing activities, okay? You just don't want to waste your time playing on Facebook and all those things. Make sure it's income producing activities. So with this program, they're saying step 3, copy one of the pre-written ads. Make sure you add your username to the ad, and then you post your ads, and you do these 3 and 4 over and over and over and over. But let's just go here. Let me show you something. Let's go to 3. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. So here's some ads that they give you that you can use, and I switch them around. But for an example, it says put your username. I'm no 9 to 5, so I would just put it in that place, and you post these ads. But let me show you something else. So let's go. Okay, so now step 4, post your ads, right? So you just click this, tells you what to do. So step 4, let's go there. And it takes you right here. It says 100 places to advertise. So you click that button, you go there. Okay, so this is not a hard business, guys. It's a simple business. You click that, and it gives you 100 places to advertise. Okay. Okay, then I click Craigslist posting tips. Let's just see. You go here, it's going to list all the cities, and it gives you now some of these made the alternative numbers. We switch these numbers out as far as texting. That's why I said this program has a software. Okay, and you can use the auto reply software. You can post an ad, put your username in there, and say text to one of these numbers. That's what you use these numbers for. Okay, most people don't realize that because they're not reading what's in this back office, but that's all you need to do, and you can switch these around. Okay, so there's some posting tips for you, as well as voicemail messages. Let me let you hear one of the messages John put together. When you use the voicemail, before we go there, is you get your 800 link number, $9.95 a month, and you link that voicemail.
Hi, my name is Mary Johnson, and I want to share with you my $300 a day system that could put thousands of dollars in your pocket very quickly, working just 15 minutes per day.
Hi, my name is Mary Johnson, and I want to share with you my $300 a day system that could put thousands of dollars in your pocket very quickly, working just 15 minutes per day.
Okay, so you're going to link that in there. Let me show you where that is. Okay, you go right up here, voicemail message. You can download that MP3. Get your 800 link number and tie it into that. So when you post ads, call them and say, hey, you were interested in making $300 a day from home. Let me give you the website to go check out. Go and give it to them. Okay. Okay. So I've shown you some different things that's in the back office. A simple system, simple program. Everything you need is in there. They even have an autoresponder to follow up with your leads once they go to your capture page. Now we're on the landing page. This is what people will see once they put their name and email in the system. They go here, they get this video, they watch this video. It explains the program, okay? Then down here, testimonies. Okay, matter of fact, I am in there with a testimony as well. These are real people, guys, okay? Where this actually works. And then you come down, shows you the price so they know what they're getting. They're paying $149.90. As they go down further, it will also show you what's included with the copy paste ad system. Okay, so you know exactly what you. So come down here. Here's everything that's included. Okay, you can read that at your leisure, but it tells you what's included with the system. A simple system, $149 one time, and you can make $100 over and over and over and over with a particular program. Okay, so if you're interested in getting started, go ahead and click that link and join. What I'm doing now, I've added some new, I've got some new pre-written ads. I'll give you 100 pre-written ads that you can use, okay, in addition to what they're giving you in the back office, okay. And then I also have a script that I can give you guys, because I'm going to give you some leads, 100 leads to get you started with the name, the address, phone number, and email of some targeted people that's interested in making money from home. What you can simply do is send them an email and send them a text, and I'll tell you exactly what to type and send that to them, to reach out to them to get them to take a look at the copy paste ad system, okay. So that's going to help you get started. And then what you want to do is get some traffic to go over to your capture page, okay. I showed you my capture page. Is very captivating. They have a few back here. Pick the one you like. This one right here is very captivating. And then let me show you another one that gets a great response. Hang on a second. This one right here seems to be that gets a great response for ads. Okay, when you place an ad, this is a good page to use too. Okay, so get started with me and copy paste ads. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, and get started with me, and I will show you how to do this thing. You can make $100 over and over and over, guys, for a one-time $149 investment. It's well worth it to get started. Something simple, okay, where it's not a lot for you to learn. Just get the basics down. Copy pasting, we're switching up the ads, placing ads, running traffic, even doing text message marketing, or even mailing postcards. All of those things work. So let's talk, and I'll be happy to work out a plan with you on what you want to do, okay, which direction you want to take. You pick the method that you think is you're going to be more comfortable with, and start out with that, okay? So with that being said, that's all I've got for you guys today. I look forward to working with you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.